To access your fonts installed on Windows 10, what you want to do is type in Control Panels on the bottom left corner, and then you want to click on Appearance and Personalization, and then you will want to click on Preview, Delete, or Show and Hide Fonts. And after that, it will bring you to this menu, and what you want to do next is to change it to Contents. To bring up the menu, you want to right-click on an empty space, just like this. And then you can sort it by the date it's modified. Usually this doesn't do anything because every time you restart your PC, pretty much all the fonts get edited, so modified the moment you start up your PC, so it doesn't really help you there. And in order to get these two categories, you want to click on More, you want to check these two boxes. They're probably down here if they're unchecked. And yeah, that's all you have to do. Group by date created, group by date modified. Again, it doesn't do anything since every time you start your PC, it just changes the date. And the best example I have for you is, let me find one of my fonts. It's called Prime something. There it is. So even though I've installed this back in 2017, the modified date is 2014 and the creation date is 2020, which doesn't make sense to me. And I never touched the font at all, but it's accessed 33 minutes ago. So that tells me like nothing pretty much. Like no matter what you do, you're not able to see the installation date. You might be able to do it by going through the registry using what is the command cdm, or yeah, command prompt. Maybe you'll able to find it there, but like otherwise it's pretty much like impossible to access the installation date. So yeah, don't waste your time googling this. If you do find a solution as a IT person, please let me know, and I appreciate it.